is a room tour at the Flamingo, Las Vegas, room 14,000. This is upgraded executive room. When you first come in, you have your bathroom. Still very small. Also missing a shower curtain. That's nice, I love that. Toilet, your toiletries. Nice big mirror, really good lighting though. Over here is your closet. This is an adjoining room. You have your living room area that has a very big table to sit at. And a couch and a credenza and a very big TV. The view, not so good. Just a horseshoe. And a little bit of the fountains, I think. And the back end of the Cromwell. And over here is your bedroom. You do have your lamps, very nice big bed. Of course, there is a coffee maker, that's really nice. Ice bucket, another TV, your phone. Safe is in here. And a refrigerator, and it's very cold. And some shelf for storage, and another little nightstand. Room looks nice. It just feels a little off to me. I don't know what it is about it. But this is a room tour at the Flamingo, Las Vegas. If you like this video, please thumbs it up and subscribe. And until next time.